Danger. The seventh one is the peahen more beautiful than the peacock? Have you ever seen a peacock? Peacock is the national bird. Yes. First, let's have a look on this picture. Look in this picture. Peacock as well as peahen. Peahen is more beautiful than the peacock, or peacock is more beautiful than the peahen? Peacock is more beautiful than the peahen. कौन ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है, पीहन या पीकॉक? पीकॉक. सो द स्टेटमेंट इज नो. So what you all have to write in seventh one? Letter N, because peacock is more beautiful than peahen, not peahen is more beautiful than the peacock. Now we will talk about the next one, that is number 8. Like bees, do ants also have a queen? बीज की तरह क्या ants की भी queen होती है? So the statement is yes. What you all have to write in number 8? Y, the letter Y, because the statement is yes. Look, this big ant is a queen ant. A queen ant is an adult one, and generally she will be the mother of all the other ants in that colony, as you have seen in this picture. The next one is, have the shells that you find on a beach ever been the homes of living creatures? And first of all, what are shells? We can say shells are hard covering that protect eggs, nuts, and some animals. So the statement is yes, shells. The shells which we find on a beach are having the homes of living creatures. So the statement is yes. So what you all have to write here? Letter Y. Now the next one. Are most sharks afraid of human beings? Yes, sharks are afraid of human beings. जो sharks होती हैं क्या वो डरती हैं human beings से? So the statement is yes, sharks are afraid of human beings. So what you all have to write here? Letter Y. Yes. Look, this is a picture of shark. Sharks have more to fear from human than we do of them. And despite their scary reputation, sharks rarely ever attack on humans. Now number 11. Have all dogs descended from the same wild ancestor, the wolf? Yes, ancestor means purvaj. And dogs came from which family? They came from wolf family. In the same way, like our ancestors are monkeys, likewise dogs ancestors are wolf. जैसे हमारे पूर्वज monkeys थे, वैसे ही dogs के पूर्वज कौन है? Wolf. It means that dogs came from which family? The dogs came from the wolf family. So the statement is yes. What you all have to write in number 11? Y, letter Y, because the statement is yes. Number 12. Are these mushrooms? Look at image number 12. Look, in image number 12, it is the picture of mushrooms. Yes, what you all have to write in number 12? Letter Y, because the statement is true. The statement is yes. Now you all will tell me what are mushrooms? क्या होते हैं mushroom? A type of plant which grows very quickly and has a flat or rounded top and can be eaten as a vegetable. A type of plant. Mushroom क्या होता है? एक तरह का plant होता है which grows very quickly and has a flat and rounded top and can be eaten as a vegetable. So the statement is yes. What you all have to write in 12th? You all have to write letter Y. Now the third one. Is it true that the natural fiber that we get from the creature shown in image 13 is cotton? Now first let's have a look on image number 13. Okay, in image 13, what is this? What is this, class? A small creature with a soft body and legs, or we can say a caterpillar that produces very thin thread. So first you all will tell me what is the natural fiber. Natural fiber कौन सा होता है? Silk. Silk is a natural fiber and which we obtain from an insect, or we can say a creature, a living thing. And what is a creature? A living thing such as animal, bird, fish, or an insect, but not a plant. And in picture 13, it is a picture of which creature? It is a picture of creature, and from this creature what we will get? We will get silk, not cotton. So what we all will write in number 13? What you all have to write? Letter N, because the statement is no. From this insect we get silk, not cotton. So what you all have to write in number 13? N, letter N. That's all for today. Hope it is understand. Hope it is clear to you all. And it's your homework, that you have to revise this page again. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next video.